Good morning, YouTube family. This morning I'm attempting to make an avocado curry. As you've seen, I've already sliced this avocado, and I'm going to slice it into cubes and then put it into this what I'm cooking here. This is carrot, potato, in turmeric, olive oil, garlic, and onion. So I'm going to try and make something I've never made before and see how it comes out. And to go with that is some steamed cabbage. I've put a pinch of onion in there, a bit of olive oil. So that is just to steam it, and that's how it's gonna be eaten. So I'm not actually boiling that, I'm just steaming it. I just put a little drop of water there and a bit of so that one is done as it is. So I'm going to remove that one. Switch off this plate. So on the side here I have rice cooking over there. So I've sliced the avocado into cubes, and I'm going to take it now and put it into this mixture which I'm boiling here, and I want to see what comes out of this meal, because this is just like an experiment. Now the avocado, you might notice, is not very soft. It's just in between. It's not hard, not too soft. Can you see? So I'm going to place it in there, let it come to a boil, and see what becomes of it. So I'm going to have this for breakfast and for lunch as well, because I have 2 meals in a day. So let's see what happens here now. Let it boil. I'll just close it now. I'm just going to stir it. Let's see what happens. Let it simmer for a bit. So let's have a look what's happening here. I've left it to simmer for a bit. This is what it looks like. It looks very nice actually. So I'm going to taste one of them and see how it tastes. It's my first time doing such an experiment. I'm going to call it an avocado curry. So I'm going to taste this and see how it feels like. I've taken a piece of avocado from there. As you can see, it's steaming hot. But let's see what happens. It's actually very delicious. So YouTube family, thank you very much for tuning in to this channel this morning. And if you're tuning in for the very first time, please feel free to subscribe to the channel. Subscription is free. You don't pay anything. So feel free to subscribe to the channel, and also give it a like, share the video, leave a comment to encourage me, and also press the bell icon to receive the latest videos and information notification. So thank you very much, but let's have a look what's happening here. I think it's done. I've tasted that one and I think it's done. Look at that. Very, very delicious this is. I think I'll do this more often, cook avocado. It actually tastes so very delicious. Let's taste this piece of potato. Let it cool down a bit. Now have a taste of that potato. Yeah, it's dead on, ready to be consumed. So I'm going to have this for breakfast, and I'm going to have it for lunch, because I have 2 meals, and then in the evening I just have like fluids, and that's it. So reporting live from this kitchen of ours. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Remember, subscription is free. So I'm going to have this, including a bit of rice and a bit of steamed cabbage over there. I'll be talking to you in the next video. You have a nice day. Ciao.